আজ আমি আর গুপ্তার ইউজিসি নেট ইকোনমিক্সের ডিসেম্বর 2019 2 থেকে 50 পর্যন্ত কোশ্চেন রিভিশন করছি। 2 number, consider the following statements about the correct order of the stages of demographic transition associated with economic development. Answer হচ্ছে গিয়ে বি, সি and A নাম্বারের। B number, high birth rate with high death rate, high birth rate with low death rate, low birth rate with low death rate. 3 number, arrange in chronological order the following economists in relation to their contribution to the theory of consumer behavior. Choose the correct answer. Answer হচ্ছে গিয়ে D number, A. Marshall, J. R. Hicks, R. G. D. Allen, P. Samuelson and R. Stone. 4 number, match list, head count ratio, extent of poverty, হচ্ছে গিয়ে poverty gap, depth of poverty, square of poverty হচ্ছে গিয়ে square of poverty. 4 number, severity of poverty, multi-dimensional poverty index হচ্ছে poverty as deprivation. 5 number, 3 statements are given as under. 1 number, generalized least square GLS method is capable of providing blue in situation where OLS fails. B number, GLS is OLS on the transformed variables that satisfy the standard least squares assumptions. C number, GLS method is suitable for dealing with multicollinearity problem. Answer A number, A and B are correct but C is not correct. 6 number, for oil importing countries, the increase in oil prices in 1970s and mid-2000 contributed to which of the following? Answer হচ্ছে গিয়ে B, C, D. B number, balance of trade deficits, price inflation, constrained economic growth. 7 number, identify the method not being used for unemployment estimation by the NHSO of India. A number, answer current monthly status. 8 number, the problem relating to burden of public debt has been dealt by E.D. Domar, A.C. Pigu. B or C answer. B number. 9 number, given below are two statements. One is labeled as assertion A and the other is labeled as reason R. Assertion A, disguised unemployment is present in India. Reason R, agricultural productivity at margin is close to zero. In the light of the above two statements, choose the correct option. A number, both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A. 10 number, given below are two statements. One is labeled as assertion A and the other is labeled as reason R. Assertion A, in classical model, investment demand is regarded as autonomous of changes in income or employment. Reason R, it is wage price flexibility which brings full employment in the classical model. In the light of the above two statements, choose the correct option. D number, A is false but R is true. 11 number, under normal probability curve, the area within the range of U minus 1.96 sigma and U plus 1.96 sigma, where U equal to mean, sigma equal to standard deviation is. Answer হচ্ছে গিয়ে 11 এর B number, 95%. 12 number, the elasticity of substitution sigma of the production function which admits of both Hicks and Herod neutral technical progress would be 12 এর B number, sigma equal to 1. 13 number, arrange the following in chronological order. 13 number এর answer হবে গিয়ে D number, CD আর AB, CDAB. 13 এর D number, CDAB. CD হচ্ছে গিয়ে Taxation Enquiry Commission, Mathur Committee, the Direct Tax Enquiry Committee, Wancho Committee. আর A হচ্ছে গিয়ে the Indirect Tax Enquiry Committee, Jha Committee, Tax Reforms Committee, RJ Chelia Committee. 14 number, arrange the following books in the correct chronological order. Answer হচ্ছে গিয়ে 14 এর C number answer. 14 এর C number answer A B C D. A number হচ্ছে গিয়ে দাস ক্যাপিটাল B number value and capital, C number capital and growth, D number accumulation of capital. 50 number the total cost function of a firm is C equal to 1 by 10 q cube minus 3q square plus 50q plus 300, where C equal to total cost, q equal to output, marginal cost at q equal to 10 is answer चाहिए 15 A number 20. 16 number which trade policy results in the government levying both a specific tariff and an ad valorem tariff on imported goods. C number answer compound tariff. 17th autonomous investment could be attributed to ABC answer ABCD number 17 D number answer ABC A হচ্ছে কি level of technology বিনা expectation level of national income 18 number given below are two statements, one is labeled as assertion A and the other is labeled as reason R. Assertion A, parties to a dispute over property right will be able to negotiate an economically optimal solution. Reason are there are efficient competitive markets and there are no transactions cost. In the light of the above two statements, choose the correct option. 18 number A number. Both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A. 19 number. The whole burden of tax will be borne by the consumer if 19 number is C number. The demand for a commodity is inelastic and supply is perfectly elastic. 20 number. Which of the following is not an example of market failure? Answer C number economies of scale. 20 C number. 21. In which of the following models knife edge problem occurs? 21 এর C number হচ্ছে গিয়ে Herod. 22. Which one of the following is not a feature of the contingent valuation method? C number answer 22 এর C number answer হচ্ছে গিয়ে it is used only in case of air pollution. 23 number. Arrange the following events in chronological order. Answer হচ্ছে গিয়ে 23 এর B number answer. B number ADBC. First phase of nationalization of commercial bank. D number establishment of Exim Bank of India. B number হচ্ছে গিয়ে establishment of nursing committee of banking system. C number enactment of FEMA Act. 23 24 number. 24 এর হচ্ছে গিয়ে consider the following statements. India's trade policy review TPR is carried out every 4 years. B number WTO has mechanism for regular review of the trade policies of member countries. Which of the following statements is correct? C number answer both A and B. 25. Which one of the following institutions is related with the green blue box subsidies? 25 এর C number answer হচ্ছে গিয়ে D only. World Trade Organization. 26. Consider the following statements about the social cost benefit analysis for viability of projects. Which of the following statements are true for this analysis? এর আনসার হচ্ছে গিয়ে A আর C. হচ্ছে গিয়ে A number. 26 এর A number. IRR should be greater than social discount rate. Shadow prices are used for the calculation of benefits and costs. 27 number. Match list. 27 এর match list হচ্ছে quasi rent. 3 number A Marshall, planned sales curve, F Chamberlain, monopoly power, AP Lerner, are strong ordering of preferences. হচ্ছে গিয়ে 2 number P.A. Samuelson. 28. Arrange in chronological order the following contribution of economists in theory of consumer. Choose the correct answer. Answer হচ্ছে গিয়ে 28 এর B number. Cardinal theory, ordinal theory, reveal preference theory, linear expenditure system. 29. Which one of the following system is not correct for the textile sector in India? 29 is C number answer. Textile sector has a tendency to shrink as the GDP and economy grow. 30. Hexaroholin trade model maintains that হচ্ছে গিয়ে 30 B number 30 B number হচ্ছে গিয়ে a country exports goods for which its resource endowment are most suited. 31 which amongst the following is the function of SEBI? 31 D number regulation of primary and secondary security market. 32 number choose the correct option for which the allocation of inputs is technically efficient. A number output of one goods cannot be decreased without increasing the output of another goods. আর 33 number 33 number arrange the following theories of international trade in chronological order as they appear. DBAC DB আর AC D হচ্ছে গিয়ে theory of absolute cost, B number theory of comparative cost, A হচ্ছে গিয়ে theory of opportunity cost আর C number হচ্ছে গিয়ে factor price equalization theorem. 34 who among the following is not associated with the optimum theory of population? Answer A number T.R. Malthus. 34 এর given below are two statements. One is level 35. Given below are two statements. One is level as assertion A and the other is level as reasonable assertion. For certain goods, the expenditure by the consumer decreases. Reason for such goods, the income elasticity of demand is high. In the light of the above two statements, choose the correct option. 35 এর C number. A is true but R is false. 36 consider an economy with a linear homogeneous Cobb-Douglas production function with two inputs capital and labor. The share of capital and labor are respectively 1/3 and 2/3. The rates of growth of capital and labor are respectively 6% and 3% per annum. If the rate of growth of output is 6% per annum, what is the rate of growth of output due to total factor productivity? A TFP. Answer হচ্ছে গিয়ে 36 এর B number answer 2%. 37 number who among the following economists are associated with the balanced growth doctrine? Answer হচ্ছে গিয়ে W.A. Lewis আর Ragnar Narkse. AD 37 A number. আর 38 এর হচ্ছে গিয়ে 38 হচ্ছে গিয়ে match the economists with their field of contribution in mathematical economics. Slutsky. 3 number consumer behavior or consumer behavior. Arrow হচ্ছে গিয়ে CES production function আর Leontief হচ্ছে গিয়ে 2 number input output analysis আর Denting হচ্ছে linear programming. Denting হচ্ছে গিয়ে linear programming. 39 the phenomenon of demographic dividend is related to which of the following? Answer হচ্ছে গিয়ে 39 এর D number. An increase in the share of working age population 40 in terms of their contribution to econometrics, which is correct chronological order. 40 C number হচ্ছে গিয়ে T Havelmo, L.R. Klein, H Theil, A.L. Nagar. 40 41 হচ্ছে গিয়ে who is the author of the book Freedom as Development? C number Amartya Sen. 42 bootstrapping technique is used to B number obtain sampling distribution of parameters of interest. 42 B number. 43 under which of the following approaches Phillips curve analysis holds good in our adaptive expectations. 44 inverse of matrix 2 0 0 0 0 4 0 0 0 0 5 0 0 0 0 1 is C number answer. 0.5 0 0 0 0 0.25 0 0 0 0 0.2 0 0 0 0 1 or 45 number. When the market rate of interest falls, which one of the following will happen? C number. Bond price will rise and bond yield will fall. 46. Given below are two statements. One is labeled as assertion A and the other is labeled as reason R. Assertion A. Geometric mean is theoretically considered as the best average to construct index number. Reason R. Geometric mean is used if the range of observations are extremely large. In the light of the above two statements, choose the correct options. 46 এর হচ্ছে গিয়ে B number. Both A and R are true and R is not the correct explanation of A. 47. Given below are two statements. One is labeled as reason labeled as assertion A and the other is labeled as reason R. Assertion A. Intellectual property rights were brought into the Uruguay round trade negotiations. Reason R. International trade restrictions can be used to discourage the violation of intellectual property rights. In the light of the above two statements, choose the correct option. In number 47 er B number. Both A and R are true and R is not the correct explanation of A. 48 number. In linear programming, each problem called primal has a dual. About duality in linear programming, following statements are given. এর অ্যান্সার হচ্ছে গিয়ে ডি নাম্বার all A B C D are correct. If a linear programming problem is maximizing type, then its dual is maximizing type. Both primal and dual have same optimum value. Dual of linear programming problem is a primal problem. If maximizing linear programming problem is with less than type constraints, the dual of this problem will have more than type constraints. 49. Which one of the following is an example of positive externality? 49 এর A নাম্বার হচ্ছে গিয়ে public immunizations আর 50 incidence of tax refers to C number the person of group who ultimately pays the tax.